What's up everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to add or insert image in PowerPoint. So let's get right into it. Once you are in your presentation slide, go to insert. Unlike inserting a video or PDF, it's totally easy. So once you're in your insert tab, you can see pictures option. Go in this and you can see several options: stock images, online pictures, and this device. If you have already saved a picture in your device, you can click on it and just browse from your device and you'll get that picture. And if you want some stock image, you must click on it, and for online pictures, like any sort of picture you want, you must click on it. So I have already a picture in my mind and I'm going to use that. So for that, I'm clicking on this device and it lets me browse some pictures in my device. So once I am okay with my choice, click on insert. So there you go. You can see my picture is already inserted in PowerPoint and you can adjust it as you want. So yeah, that was easy, right? If this video helped you out, make sure to give it a like and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to share it with your friends and family. We will see you in the next video.